A pipe 4.8 meters long is made of metal 30 millimeters thick. If the external radius is 15 centimeters, find the volume of metal in the pipe to the nearest centimeters cube. So this question is a question on um, hollow object. A pipe is an hollow object. An hollow object is an object that has space inside of it. So let's attempt to draw one here. So I have this circle. I'm trying to draw an hollow object. So I have this. Let's say this. All right. So let's say this is my pipe. It has a thickness. I've been told that the thickness is 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. That's the thickness. The pipe itself is 4.8 meters long, and that's gonna be the same as the height. If the pipe is standing, you talk about height, but when it is lying down on the ground, you talk about length. So it's the same. If the external radius is 15 centimeters, so this is the center of the circle. This is going to serve as my internal radius because I have two circles formed here. This is my small r internal radius, and this is my external radius. The external radius is given as 15. So from here to this point is 15 centimeters. I know this thickness as 3 millimeters. 30 millimeters. So that means I can actually find my radius. My radius, the small r, would be all that you have here minus the thickness. Minus the thickness. So this is 15 centimeters minus 13 millimeters. When you change 13 millimeters to centimeters, you have 3 centimeters because 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. And so this is 12 centimeters. This represents the radius of the internal circle. What else do we have? Okay, I think that's all. Now let's find the volume of matter. The volume of matter is the volume of matter will be equals to the volume of the external dimension minus the volume of internal space. Remember I told you this is an hollow object. A pipe is a classical example of an hollow object, and so it has space inside of it. So to find the volume of the matter itself, it is the volume of the entire shape minus the volume of that space that is inside, because the entire space has captured everything, the thickness, the matter plus what you have inside. So for you to find the volume of the matter itself, the volume of the entire shape minus the volume of the internal space. All right, so it's a pipe, and a pipe is in the form of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. I'm using big R because for the external dimension the radius is bigger, minus small r square h. I'm just using the same h because the height of the external dimension is the same as the height of the internal dimensions. So factorize this by h is common into r squared minus small r squared. All right, so if I take my pi to be 3 point, okay, we could take pi to be 3.142, though I don't think the question told me, or you take pi to be 22/7. All right, times h. H is given to me in meters. Yeah, this is the height, 4.2 meters. But remember, we are finding the volume in centimeters cube. So I'm going to change that to centimeters, and that's 480 centimeters because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 4.8 meters will be 480. So my big R is 15 square minus small r. We got small r as 12. So 12 squared. So we're going to multiply this now. 3.142 times 480. So this is 1508.16. And then 15 square minus 12 squared. I guess that's 81. You can confirm that minus 12 squared, that's 81. So 81 times 1508.16. And so my volume of matter, please, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please do that right now. It's not going to hurt you. Click on the subscribe button. Subscribe now. Follow this page. Please leave your comment. So multiply this. You have 122,160.96 centimeters cube. And so that's the volume of the matter. I hope this was helpful. Please leave your comment and leave your question in the comment box. Let me know what you want me to solve next.